350,000. Okay, honey, I'm broke.
Broke? Man, broke? You know you can't be broke. What is man broke now?
Why can't I be broke?
Oh, come on, darling, please.
I don't have such money. I see, but on waste for women. I don't have such money.
Why are you talking like this now? I showed you by way to share a surprise birthday party for me. I want read me, you know, as in my clique, don't look with Gawashi, call on me now. What they hear me see? Oh, should I did as to go to one thing? Oh, I fake me no beg. It's not fair now. Don't do this to my really cool me. I'm to.
So you want us to toe the lane of beg again?
No.
So why don't continue your software, my software? She want your surprise birthday to my software. That one got me thinking.
Thinking about what?
What she did be. Where your control needs to beg. Beg is not by gold. It's not by diamond. It's not by jewelry. It's not by physical adornment. No. I'm not talking beg. Oh money. I want to your birthday. For the first time, Ile were organized and I was happy. I was happy chasing them up and down. Hey, you, sit there. You, take this candy. You, take this, take that. Oh, hey, shut up. No, you are shouting. Taba file ile, kin lo 100 times kin padade, bile shema walele. So to ba fe ba egbe, you always sit down, pray to your Creator with utmost attention and religiously. Wa gbadua si Olorun. Oluwa, jẹ́ kí n ba egbe pe. Because what of him ba egbe pe, o ti ni. Have a lovely day, woman.